Hello everyone, we have completed the product category and slider processes. Next is the About Me section. We defined the About Me section in the general mapping class. This here, result about DTO, create about DTO, get by ID about DTO, and finally update about DTO. Then we can write the controller codes for it. Let's create a new controller. Right click controllers folder, add new controller. Our controller is MVC controller and name is delete about delete home, and instead of about add click. Okay, good. We need about list, public action result about list, private read only I mapper underscore mapper, and private read only I about service underscore about service. Okay, we need constructor method on class control dot generate constructor. Our constructor methods are ready. Good. About list, we can close all tabs except about, and we can go to slider controller. Okay, we can use these codes. Copy, we can use these codes. We need var values underscore about service dot get all, and return view underscore mapper dot map list result about DTO with values. Okay, good. And we need create about. We can copy this here and paste create about, and same name, create about DTO for parameter, and control space create about DTO var value underscore mapper dot map for about. Parameter name is create about DTO underscore about service dot t, and insert with value return redirect to action about list. Okay, good. And other is delete, step by step delete about int id underscore about service t delete id, and go to about list. Okay, good. And we need update and get by id methods. Paste update about and update about var value underscore about service t get by id about DTO with value. Okay, and update about DTO. Parameter names update about, parameter name is update about DTO, instead of slider is about update about DTO underscore about service t update value, go to about list, redirect to action. Okay, our about controller is ready. Right click about list and add view, razor view, use a layout page, admin layout, and index, add click. We are doing similar processes. I am aware of that, but I will also explain new topics, new lessons in the new lessons. Okay, about list is ready. Right click, go to view and sliders controller, right click, go to view, copy all codes and paste it. Okay, delete this here. We need list about result about DTO result about detail not show. We can go to with imports and add using namespace Foody dot detail layer dot details dot about details. Okay, and again go to about list, result about detail is ready. Okay, good. Tables and tables slider lists instead of about lists, about list, about operations. Okay, variable table slider id, no, about id, we need about id, and right click result about detail, go to definition, we need about id title and description. About id title we don't need necessary show on the about list view is description. We can show get by id view. About id and title delete update. Okay, we need this about id and we need this actually we can show it description, we can add description. Okay, about id title and description. Okay, not sliders, Control F, find sliders, replace about. Okay, replace all, 3 occurrence, replace it. Okay, and go this here, delete slider for about instead of about, replace all, 6 occurrence, replace it. Okay, go to about list, about id, delete update, add new about area. Good. And go to Solution Explorer, program.cs. We need about registration, builder.services.add scope, I about dal with ef about dal, and builder services add scope about manager with I about service with about manager. Okay, good. Go to about list and Control Shift W. I'm waiting for open. Okay, good. Add new about area. Go to create about. Y is 404. What's our this abouts and abouts. Okay, good. Go to about controller, create about, right click, add view, raise a view, and use a layout page, add click. I'm waiting for open, create about, and finally we need only update about. Go to about controller, right click, update about, add view, raise a view, and use a layout page. I hope you can understand me easily. Next lesson, we can create 404 pages. The close and close all tabs except about controller, right click, go to view. Okay, we can go to sliders, create sliders, copy, delete and paste, delete this here. We need create about detail. Okay, and sliders instead of about, add about, new create about. Okay, add about panel, slider title text, about title text, title, and about description. description. We can use text area and class is form hyphen control and roles can be 5. Okay, good. Create about. Let's try it. Control Shift W. Okay. Test. Hello. How are you today? Create about. No. Cannot insert the value null into column description. Excuse me. We forgot sp-4 is description. Okay. Again, let's start. Okay. Test title and hello. How are you today? Create about and create process is ready. Okay, good. Delete this here, delete about. Okay, delete working, and we need only update about. Right click, go to view and create about, copy this here, paste it, delete this here. We need get by id about detail, cut, paste it, new create about, no, update about panel, and we need input type is hidden, sp-4 about id. Okay, good. Update about and button class is success. Okay, good. About controller, right click about list, go to view, Control Shift W, add new about area, test hello, create about. Okay, update test hello, test 2 hello, how are you tomorrow, update about. Okay, you can see this working. That's enough. Good. Thank you for watching this video. Next lesson we will create a 404 page. See you next lesson. Have a good day, have a good time.